Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news that seems to be the season for some shock therapy from OpenAI to Argentina. But first up in the US, this is the lead up to their long Thanksgiving holiday weekend, a 4-day Thursday to Sunday work break for many. Wednesday is usually a travel crush day. Thursday, which will be Friday New Zealand time, a quiet family day, and then followed by an all-out retail shopping frenzy, shopping for Christmas gifts traditionally. Economic eyes will be on the retail impulse. Financial market activity is already thinning out in the run-up to the holiday. On Wall Street, all eyes are on the ructions at the ChatGPT firm OpenAI. Overnight, Microsoft hired its fired CEO, and 500 staff said they're ready to join him. These are juicy headlines in a newly high-profile business segment, but not likely to have much lasting economic impact. The motivation for the OpenAI board, one ultimately controlled by a core set of AI scientists, seems to be that the company's expansion was out of control, maybe even dangerous. In China, their central bank kept its key lending benchmarks unchanged in their November review, despite the obvious need for stimulus. And Taiwanese export orders rose 2.9% in October from September to be 4.6% lower than year-ago levels. But they've been on a steady recovery since the low point in April and are now back to the high levels they were in the 2020-2022 period. In Argentina, they've elected right-wing libertarian firebrand Javier Milei as its new president. He won decisively, 55 to 45. This will be new territory. No country of Argentina's size has previously turned over the reins of its own monetary policy to American decision makers. Also, while we're not looking, Turkey's currency is falling further while its inflation rate hovers stubbornly above 60% and almost double what it was in June. All this is a result of another crazy shock therapy experiment that went badly wrong. The US Treasury 10-year yield was little change from yesterday, now at 4.42% and 2 basis points lower. And the price of gold will start today at $1,974 an ounce and down $7 from this time yesterday. Oil prices have risen $2 though to be just over $78 a barrel in the US, while international Brent price is now at $82.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 60.2 US cents, an up a quarter cent from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down marginally to 91.9 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're little change to 55 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 69.2. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again